Happy Monday, Team Knights. The purpose of this Math Minute video is to continue to build your efficacy as you support your students with number, corner, and bridges, as well as to provide some innovative ideas heading into the week. This week, we'll be thinking about identity. Each of us holds many identities. For some, it's mom, aunt, cousin, sister, brother, dad. Our students hold identities too. And so this quote from Peter Johnston really was sticking with me as I was thinking about this week. So the language we use is so important with our kids, and oftentimes we can get stuck in using a negative language or a deficit mindset of language. And so this book by Beth McCord Kobet and Karen Karp really invite us to think about the language we use and to think about how we might position our students as knowers and doers of mathematics. One of the ways that we can do that is through an asset-based approach. So instead of talking about what our kids can't do, we position them all as mathematicians or learners. So the learners in our room they can count to 20. They can know their doubles facts. They can draw a model to support their thinking. Another way that we can think about this is not only as individuals, but think about our classroom community. Are we creating groups that are heterogeneous so that kids with lots of different knowledge can collaborate together? Are we balancing who does the talking in our room? Or are we always hearing from the same students? Everything we say or do contributes to the identity of our learners individually, but also our classroom community. So this figure comes straight from the text. It tells us to assess our students, identify what they do know, to build on what they know through targeted interventions, and then to engage students in thinking and doing mathematics that builds on what they already know. A little bit more abstract this week, but just think about what are the identities your learners hold? How might the language we be using helping them hold an identity of being a mathematician? Because just like we're all readers, we are all mathematicians. I'm here to support. Let me know what I can do to support you or your learners. And I wish you a fantastic week full of madness, March Madness basketball, that is, not full of madness in your mathematics classroom. Have a great week.